بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Final Punjab Textbook Board, Book 2025-2026, 11th English, Unit number 4. टीम मून. आज हम इस यूनिट के क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स करेंगे. हम एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस भी करेंगे और एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स भी करेंगे. एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Why does the author choose to focus on the seamstresses at Playtex when discussing the Apollo 11 mission? What significance do their contributions hold in the broader context of the mission? The author highlights the Playtex seamstresses because their precise, skilled sewing was key to keeping astronauts safe in space. One small stitch mattered, showing how even quiet, careful work truly helped make the mission a success. Exercise question number 2. How does the setting of mission control shape the actions and decisions of the flight controllers? In what ways does the environment contribute to the tension and resolution of key moments in the story? The high-pressure setting of mission control shaped flight controllers' actions by keeping them focused and ready for anything. This tense but well-practiced environment helped them stay calm, make fast decisions, and turn crises into success through teamwork. Exercise question number 3. What impact do the words like tension, critical, and overloaded have on the tone of the narrative? How does the author's choice of language enhance the urgency and drama of the events? Words like tension, critical, and overloaded create a tone of urgency and pressure, helping the reader feel the seriousness of the moment. The author's precise language adds drama and shows how quick decisions were key to avoiding disaster and keeping the mission alive. Exercise question number 4. What would be the impact if Team Moon had focused solely on the astronauts' perspectives instead of highlighting the contributions of all 400,000 people involved? How would this change the narrative's message? If Team Moon focused only on the astronauts, it would feel like a solo effort and ignore the 400,000 people behind the scenes. The message would shift from shared teamwork to individualism, losing the power of unity that made the mission succeed. Exercise question number 5. What is the author's purpose in highlighting the lesser-known contributors to Apollo 11? How does this focus challenge the traditional narrative of space missions that often centers solely on astronauts? The author highlights lesser-known contributors to show that Apollo 11's success was a team effort, not just about the astronauts. This challenges the usual story by giving credit to the thousands behind the scenes, emphasizing teamwork over individual glory. Exercise question number 6. What might have happened if the engineers at NASA had failed to solve a key problem with the Saturn V rocket? How would this have affected the outcome of the Apollo 11 mission? If NASA engineers had failed to fix a key problem like the pogo effect in the Saturn V rocket, it could have caused dangerous vibrations, risking crew safety and spacecraft damage. This might have led to mission failure or stopped the moon landing altogether. Exercise question number 7. How can you summarize the main points of Team Moon in a way that captures the essence of the teamwork and collaboration without losing key details? Team Moon shows that Apollo 11's success was the result of 400,000 people working together, from seamstresses and engineers to flight controllers and coders. It highlights how teamwork, dedication, and many small but vital roles made the moon landing possible. Exercise question 8. How would you create a diagram, a flowchart, or a mind map to visually represent the key ideas of teamwork, innovation, and perseverance from Team Moon? What elements would you include to ensure that it reflects the text accurately? I would use a mind map with Team Moon at the center and branches for teamwork, innovation, and perseverance, showing roles like seamstresses, engineers, and coders. Icons and brief notes would highlight how each part contributed to the mission. अब हम इस यूनिट के एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स करते हैं। एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस से मेरी मुराद इस यूनिट के अंदर बॉक्सेस या डब्बों में मौजूद क्वेश्चंस हैं। एडिशनल क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What was significant about Neil Armstrong's first steps on the moon? Neil Armstrong's first steps were historic as he became the first human to walk on another world, symbolizing a major leap in science and human courage. His words inspired millions and marked a proud moment for all humanity. Additional question number 2. Why was the job of the seamstresses at Playtex so important for the Apollo 11 mission? The seamstresses at Playtex played a vital role by hand-stitching 21-layer spacesuits that protected astronauts from space's dangers. Their precise work ensured safety, as even a small error could have led to mission failure. Additional question number 3. What kind of problems were the NASA engineers trying to solve with the Saturn V rocket? NASA engineers worked hard to solve big problems like keeping the Saturn V rocket stable during launch, handling extreme forces, and guiding it precisely through space. They ran countless tests and made constant improvements to ensure everything worked perfectly. Additional question number 4. Why was it important for each member of the mission control team to have a specific role during the mission? Each mission control member had a specific role to focus on different tasks like navigation, communication, and life support. This clear teamwork helped them monitor everything closely, quickly fix problems, and keep the mission safe and running smoothly under pressure. Additional question number 5. How did the team at Mission Control prepare for unexpected problems during the Apollo 11 mission? The Mission Control team trained for all kinds of emergencies, ran simulations, and created backup plans. Their quick thinking during alarms like 12:01 and 12:02 showed how practice and teamwork helped keep the mission on track. Additional question number 6. Who was Margaret Hamilton and what was her role in the Apollo 11 mission? Margaret Hamilton was a pioneering computer scientist who led the team that built Apollo 11's flight software. Her code detected errors, prioritized key tasks during landing, and helped avoid failure, playing a vital role in getting astronauts safely to the moon.